Looks like a dessert cake, but it's oatmeal in a cup. I literally put all the ingredients that I put in my regular oatmeal recipe. I blended them, baked, and this what came out. Into NutriBullet blender, put 6 tablespoons of liquid egg whites. That's about 100 grams. I buy them in Costco in a container. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, 82 grams, quarter of a cup of sugar-free syrup, 2 scoops of collagen peptides. It's a good way to increase your protein without messing with protein powders. I have a link on my website if you want to purchase one. Link in below in description to that recipe. "18 grams of protein. Half a teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Pinch of salt, and don't forget a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I did forget myself. And 2 tablespoons of monkfruit sweetener. That's 30 grams. Three-fourths cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. That's about 150 grams. And blend it until smooth. I'm going to transfer the butter into a more manageable dish to stir in the peanut butter. Here are my 3 ramekins. Each are about 8 ounces of a size. And now I'm going to add half a cup of powdered peanut butter. Stir it well. Make sure it's a nice smooth consistency. Just a sprinkle of cinnamon, about quarter of a teaspoon, not too much. And divide the butter into 3 ramekins. I have here a couple of apples. I'm going to use only 1. It's about 3 ounces. You can leave the skin on, just like I'm going to do it, or you can peel it if you don't like the skin. Cut up in small dice pieces and spread over the batter. Sprinkle a dash of cinnamon. And bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius, for 30 minutes. And check it out, it's just heavenly. Smells amazing. Check out the texture. Just like a decadent cake, but lighter and definitely healthier. With 270 calories and 25 grams of protein, this looks like a dessert, but you can have it for breakfast and feel good about it. It's a perfect make-ahead meal for a busy you, Make them, store in your fridge, and reheat the next morning. Much better option than a donut or store-bought muffin. This is just a great way to start your day with a good amount of protein that most of us don't really get daily. This cake in a cup is a great way to add a high protein snack to your diet. It's definitely better than some protein bar, that's for sure. Make sure you share this recipe and watch one of these two videos. And that's exactly where I'm going to see you next.